Big utes and four-wheel drives need big brakes. The factory systems work well for a vehicle that's left standard, but let's face it, upgrading our off-road and work ute is a national pastime. What people don't think about is the weight they're adding. A steel bull bar can add 80 kilos, a winch 40 kilos, canopy 100 kilos, tow bar 25 kilos, and before you know it, you're towing a load and the brakes start to fade and you're in trouble. This kit is the complete braking solution for your four-wheel drive. So before we spend our hard-earned on something, we like to know what we're getting. So let's have a look inside the Bendix tough case of tough brakes. As you can see here, the Bendix Ultimate 4-wheel drive brake upgrade kit is a no-compromise setup. It features these slotted and dimpled rotors that vent hot braking air and help expel dust and dirt. These are mated to Bendix Ultimate 4-wheel drive brake pads that provide the instant bite required when you're towing heavy loads or you're under hard braking. To ensure a solid pedal, we've also uprated the brake lines and brake fluid to prevent a spongy pedal, which is caused when the lines swell and the fluid boils under the heavy and constant braking forces often seen in towing. Now, an important part of this kit is the set of braided front brake lines. Once fitted up, these will dramatically help improve pedal feel, which is everything when it comes to having confidence in your braking system. No braking kit would be complete without Bendix's specially formulated brake fluid. This is a step that's undertaken once everything has been fitted up. It's pointless doing a big job like this and leaving old brake fluid in the system that will undermine brake performance. There's a can of brake cleaner, which will remove all the brake dust and grime surrounding the calipers and brake system, so you can do the job much easier and without getting too dirty. The tube of Bendix Ceramisil brake lubricant is a really thoughtful idea. It shows Bendix understands and knows you may face obstacles when overhauling your brake system. This lubricant is used to keep slide pins lubricated and also on backing plates of brake pads and shims to prevent noise. Nice one, Bendix. The brake rotor wipes are useful to prepare the surface of the disc prior to putting the disc on hub. This will make sure that there's no nasty surprises or contaminants left on the rotor before you engage the brake pedal. Now, definitely the coolest part of this kit is the Bendix stubby cooler, because there's nothing like rewarding yourself with a cold beverage after a long day of traveling off-road. This installation list is key to understanding the process of how the Bendix brake upgrade package is fitted up. Make sure you have a good read of that because it'll make life easy and you'll get it done right the first time. And lastly, all of this comes in a handy heavy-duty traveling case that's sure to be useful for trips away once you've unboxed and fitted all of the gear to your vehicle. That's everything inside. Fitted up to your vehicle, this Bendix Ultimate 4-wheel drive brake upgrade kit is a no-brainer when it comes to safety. Be sure to check out our videos where we carry out back-to-back testing runs on the Bendix package against your vehicle's standard setup. It's a real eye-opener. As Australia's leading brake manufacturer, Bendix's quality is second to none. So if you think your brakes aren't up to the job, get in contact with your local stockist or repairer to fit this brake upgrade kit. For more information, visit our website at www.bendix.com.au.
Bendix. Put your foot down with confidence.